Welcome back to your go-to destination for all things automotive. If you're passionate about motorcycles and eager to stay updated on the latest releases, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycle comebacks in recent history, the Yamaha RX100. This iconic bike, which ruled the Indian roads in the late 80s and 90s, is set to make a grand return. But this isn't just a revival, it's a reimagining of a legend. Launched in 1985, the Yamaha RX100 quickly became a favorite among motorcycle enthusiasts. Its lightweight design, powerful 98 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, and distinctive exhaust note made it a standout in its class. The bike's performance and affordability earned it a special place in the hearts of riders across India. However, production ceased in 1996 due to stringent emission norms that the two-stroke engine couldn't meet. Despite its discontinuation, the RX100 remained a cult classic, with many enthusiasts restoring old models and keeping the spirit alive. Fast forward to 2025, and Yamaha has confirmed the RX100's return. The company aims to blend nostalgia with modern technology, ensuring the new RX100 resonates with both old fans and new riders. According to reports, Yamaha is developing a new engine for the RX100, as the original two-stroke engine cannot be made BS6 compliant. This indicates a shift towards a more modern, efficient powertrain while retaining the essence of the original bike. The new RX100 is expected to retain its classic styling elements, sleek lines, a teardrop fuel tank, and minimalist bodywork. However, modern touches will be incorporated to enhance functionality and appeal. Engine asterisk, a new 125 cubic centimeters, four-stroke, single-cylinder engine, producing approximately 12 to 14 brake horsepower. This engine aims to deliver a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. Transmission asterisk, a 5-speed manual gearbox, offering smooth gear shifts and better control. Lighting asterisk, LED headlights and taillights for improved visibility and energy efficiency. Instrument cluster asterisk, a hybrid digital-analog display, combining retro aesthetics with modern technology. Wheels asterisk, alloy wheels that provide a contemporary look while maintaining the bike's lightweight nature. Colors asterisk, expected to be available in retro-inspired shades like metallic red, midnight black, and pearl white. These features aim to provide a modern riding experience while paying homage to the RX100's legacy. The new RX100 is designed to offer a blend of performance and efficiency. With an expected power output of 12 to 14 brake horsepower and a torque of around 10.39 Newton-meters, the bike aims to deliver a thrilling ride. Fuel efficiency is a key consideration, with the new RX100 expected to offer a mileage of around 40 to 45 kmpl, making it suitable for both city commuting and highway cruising. The bike's lightweight design, combined with the new engine, is expected to result in a top speed of approximately 110 km/h. The Yamaha RX100 is expected to be launched in December 2026, with an ex-showroom price ranging between 1.25 Indian rupees lakh and 1.50 Indian rupees lakh. This pricing positions it competitively in the retro-modern motorcycle segment, offering value for money while retaining the RX100's iconic status. The bike will be available through Yamaha's extensive dealer network across India, ensuring accessibility for enthusiasts nationwide. The new RX100 is designed to appeal to a diverse group of riders. Nostalgic riders asterisk, those who fondly remember the original RX100 and wish to relive its glory days. Young enthusiasts asterisk, new riders attracted to the bike's retro styling and modern features. Urban commuters asterisk, individuals seeking a lightweight, fuel-efficient motorcycle for daily use. Collectors asterisk, motorcycle aficionados looking to own a piece of automotive history. In the retro-modern motorcycle segment, the Yamaha RX100 will face competition from several models. Royal Enfield Hunter 350 asterisk offers a heavier build and torque-heavy engine, appealing to riders seeking a more substantial motorcycle. Features a smooth engine and advanced features, catering to riders looking for refinement and technology. Asterisk, a feature-packed motorcycle with sporty styling, targeting younger riders. Jawa 42 asterisk provides retro aesthetics and affordability, appealing to those seeking a classic look at a budget-friendly price. While these competitors offer various features, the RX100's unique blend of heritage, performance, and modern technology sets it apart in the market. The return of the Yamaha RX100 is a significant event in the Indian motorcycle industry. By combining the bike's legendary legacy with modern advancements, Yamaha aims to create a motorcycle that resonates with both nostalgic riders and new enthusiasts. With its expected performance, design, and pricing, the new RX100 is poised to make a lasting impact in the market.